Education in the Rainbow Nation. Dive into South Africa's school system. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating education system of South Africa, often referred to as the Rainbow Nation. This beautiful country, with its diverse cultures, also boasts a unique schooling approach. Let's get started and explore how South Africans learn. South Africa's education system is divided into three phases: the foundation phase, the intermediate phase, and the further education and training (FET) phase. These phases encompass grades R, or grade 0, to grade 12. After completing grade 12, students undertake a national examination called the National Senior Certificate, often known as Matric. In the early years of schooling, most students are taught in their home language. South Africa has 11 official languages, including English, Afrikaans, and several indigenous languages. However, English is commonly used as the medium of instruction, especially in higher education. The multicultural nature of the country means that language proficiency is a vital skill. The South African curriculum focuses on producing well-rounded individuals. As such, students study a broad range of subjects including mathematics, life sciences, physical sciences, history, and more. Life orientation is a unique subject that deals with personal development, health, and societal issues. After Matric, students can choose to pursue higher education. South Africa has a number of world-renowned universities, such as the University of Cape Town and the University of the Witwatersrand. Many students also opt for vocational training or community colleges, depending on their career aspirations. While South Africa's education system has many strengths, it has faced challenges related to funding, infrastructure, and disparities from the apartheid era. However, the country has been working diligently on reforms, with a focus on equal opportunities for all students and improving the overall quality of education. Thank you for joining us on this journey through South Africa's education system. The Rainbow Nation's approach to schooling reflects its rich cultural tapestry. We hope this video has given you insights into the vibrant world of South African education. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.